Hey, good morning, everybody. Bob, Trade Genius. All you need to know. Up, 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 up. Rhodium will be up too when it opens. And it has begun. We've talked about forever. So now we're getting the realization that the fiat has to devalue in order for us to unclog the pipes, as they say. And what I've been saying all along, as soon as all this stimulus passes, this virus will disappear like it never happened. And just amazingly how crass these people are. Basically locked the country down to shake out the money tree. And look, I know New York has a hot spot. Seattle's kind of a hot spot. San Francisco's kind of a hot spot. You deal with the hot spots, okay? And you don't take a sledgehammer when surgical precision could have been used here. But that wasn't the point, was it? The point was to get the interest rates down to zero so that they could flood the market with dollars to break the dollar strength stranglehold that's been infecting the world. It's to be seen how it'll work, but according to Extra Pyramid, it rolls down the bond market, U.S. Treasury bond market, gold, and the dollar are the last three assets that are going to be taken out. So the next thing we have to watch for, but they can keep this going for some time, is that they'll just buy every bond out there. So what it's going to do is people are going to then run to gold, and the dollar will suffer. So you just trade accordingly, and this is where we are. And I'm going to flip over to my watch list. This is the one I put together, and we've been working on trading off of. Here's AG this morning. Okay, over $7. This was yesterday's move. Okay, we're not in that, but we are in Coeur d'Alene. Mine's 370 pre-market. We're profitable. DHT is an oil tanker. This will come up over $6. We're in at 6. We bought Dig yesterday at 340, 335, 345 was the range I put out there, and so it's going to open. Right now it's sitting at 399 pre-market, but it's going to open positive. This is GLD Barrick. Bought this yesterday at $15. It's at 1864 right now. Hecla. Okay, our average price is 219. We bought this before this collapse of a couple weeks ago. It's going to blow right through that. PLG with platinum moving up. Look, it's already at 126. This thing's going to rocket. This is a rhodium company. Get it while it's dirt cheap. Here's SLV. Has a nice move yesterday, nice move today. This is one that you probably want to jump on. I don't know where it's going to open, but it's probably going to rocket too. Really well-maintained company. USO is getting a bid. VXX is getting absolutely crushed. So I have 32 puts on for Friday. See how the day opens. But I'll probably roll them. And then in WPM. And this is where we bought it yesterday. And right now it's going to open up here. So this was the in 2 days up 11% on WPM. Just amazing. Great company. It took one day. If you look at here, it got whacked for like one day. And we were all too shell-shocked, I was, to buy anything. And this thing came right back and just took off. And now it's going to keep going. It's pre-market to here. And really well-maintained company. And they have silver assets dirt cheap. Gold assets dirt cheap. And so they're like a mine without having the mine. So it's gonna be a really, really interesting day. I think we're at lock limit up right now. Let's look at the SPX here. Yeah, we're back to limit up again. And so it will blow up. And I'll just tell you guys now, if you're investors, you get to get a second chance here now to lighten your load, to get some cash, and take advantage of it, because they're going to scream all clear to you as they're exiting their positions. So be smart. Remember, we're no longer in the stock market. Passive investing is proven to be a false concept. You're going to have to take control of your portfolios if you want to have any hope of retirement. You guys have a great day. If you want to trade with us, check us out. We put together a Trade Genius stimulus package, tradelikeagenius.com. What we're charging for our service is nothing compared to what you're going to get out of it. And you'll really be happy to join a really good team of people. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.